The thing about owning a small business, and especially a restaurant, is how do you stay inspired? I am always on the hunt for ingredients, and there's nothing more special or more intimate than actually going to the source and being able to see it myself and pick it myself. That's what deeply inspires me. So when I found out that Volvo had this experience program, I was like, this is it. I'm all about experience. I'm gonna pick out my own car. I'm gonna pick out the color.
I get to personalize the car and make it mine.
And I'm gonna order it from the factory, and then they fly you over. They put you up for a couple nights in a hotel room. You eat your heart out in the meantime. They take you to the factory,
And then you're gonna go get a VIP tour of the world of Volvo, explore its history, then drive your new car around Sweden for a couple of weeks. There was so much included in this. I was just like, this is incredible. Plus, we got 2 weeks of insurance on the car.
We drove from Gothenburg to Stockholm. We went down to the countryside and circled all the way back up and spent 10 days driving around in like our new baby, getting to bond with it.
And then have the car shipped to the US after that.
This was a very farm-to-table moment. For me, of course, I have to go to the factory. I have to see where she was born and then bring her home and love her forever, so.
At the Lost Kitchen, we serve experiences, the kind you remember. Why shouldn't all things in life be like this?